Oh my god. Yo, it's cold. It is cold out here. Let's see what we got. Oh, these are heaters. These are heaters. These are straight heat. These are straight. Oh my god, it's so cold. These are straight heat. Let's check it out together. Oh my god, I need a jacket on. I need a jacket. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid. Neff, right? I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail, as you can see from the title, and as you can see even from the intro, today I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review, but not just any sneaker review. I'm bringing you guys an early sneaker review on a pair of Nike Dunks that actually have released, if I'm not mistaken, was February 3rd. There is no US release as of right now, but the Dunks that we're gonna be taking a look at today is the dark Marina blue. And oh, when I saw official images for this, I was kind of iffy. I was kind of like, I like them, but I'm not too sure. And then shout out to my boy Timothy for actually over on his channel, he made a review on these as well, and he's what actually had me pull the trigger. I will go ahead and leave a link in the description where you can check it out. The video was really great. He is from the UK, so he was able to go ahead and get these early before us over in the US. However, I was able to go ahead and pull the trigger over on GOAT to get these. But we're gonna go ahead and dive into these in a few minutes. But before we even do, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the love and the support that you guys show the channel. It really does mean a lot. I think right now we're at 1,356 subscribers, and I just want you guys to know, like, it really does mean a lot to me. The goal this year is 5 to 10K, and I just want you to know all the progress that we make. I just really appreciate you guys seriously from the bottom of my heart. So thank you guys so much. If this is your first time tapping into one of my videos, definitely go ahead and leave a like. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. That way whenever I drop a video, you guys are the first to know and be alerted. So thank you again. So with all that said, enough talking, let's dive into these Nike Dunk Low dark Marina blues. Let me go ahead and I like to start off by always telling you guys, I like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing, and I like to do it with matching headbands. So the colorway is obviously blue, light blue, and I think it's white as well. So I do have a white headband I'm gonna match with that. So let me get it on real quick and we will dive into these Marina blues. Let's go. And boom, here we go. We got our headband on. Hey yo, we got the little twist going action today. So if you guys are like, what's going on with his hair? Your boy's got twisties, okay? So let me go ahead and get my new knife. We got a new knife, right? So let me go ahead and grab it for you guys right here. We actually did get this from Supreme. It just came to the door, I want to say maybe a few minutes ago. Hold on. Yo, and boom, so here we go right here. This is the newest knife that we got to our collection. Yo, this is crazy. Look how small this knife is. I could have swore it was so much bigger on Supreme's site. False advertising, no, but I went ahead anyways and I did get these. I know there was a few colorways that did drop over there on that release last week. I think there was a red one, obviously the green one, which I got, and then there was a black one as well. Still though, we're gonna take this now and we're actually gonna cut into this box. So like I said, these are the dark Marina blues. I did go ahead and get these over on GOAT, so shout out to GOAT. And the prices on these aren't going too bad right now. The release date for the US has not been confirmed, but as we go and the release, we keep on going forward, I'm pretty sure that these are going to be coming very soon. So I'll keep you guys updated as much as I possibly can. Let's go ahead and open up this box here. We do get greeted with our brown tissue paper. Let's go ahead and put that over there. And then we do got our Nike box right there. Hold on, let me put everything up. So looking at the box, you have it comes in a standard Nike box, as you can see. You do have white, you have red, and then you do have your Nike logo text and Nike right in the front right there. Let me look on the side. Let me read you guys the side description as well. So side description does read Nike Dunk Low, dark Marina blue, white, 10.5. The SKU code on it is DJ6188400. And when it comes to dunks, if you haven't, I've already made a bunch of reviews, but this is your first time checking this one out. Dunks run very true to size, so I would say whatever you fit in Air Jordan 1s or Air Force 1s, go that same size and you will be fine in Dunks. I will go a half size down just because I like a snugger fit, but if you don't and you kind of like just a little bit of space, then go that true to size and you will be fine. So let's go ahead and actually give you guys a different perspective on an overview right here. So let's go ahead and pull the top back right now. Pull this lid. Ooh, I can already see though. And let's go ahead and actually release this tissue paper right here. Nothing crazy. You just have an all standard white tissue paper. Let's pull this back. And ooh, these are nice. I like these. I rock with these a lot. I rock with these a lot. You know what these remind me of? These remind me of a long time ago. I don't know if you guys remember when it did release. I think it was 2002, 2003. It was the Nike Dunk Low Argan. I have a picture I can actually show you right there. Those are actually really clean, and you know, I think they go for a crazy amount of money right now. You're looking at like what I think a pair is going for like $2 grand if I'm not mistaken, but here they go right here. These are the Nike Dunk Low in the dark Marina blue. I like these, dude. I like these a lot. These are very fire. These are clean. Which one do you want to review first? I think we should review low-key. Low-key, I think the left is probably doing it for me. Yeah, let's go ahead and review the left. So here we go right here, starting with the left. As you can see, let's go ahead. You got that all deep dark blue outsole right there, and you do have Nike in the middle right there, boom. And then as you come up, you do have an all white midsole that does go all the way around the shoe, all the way around it. And then as you go up even some more, you have, I love the two-tone of blue that you get. You also have, you have a light blue right here, and then you do have a dark deep blue, and then you do have your white swoosh right here going to the back right there. You do have your Nike logo in the back of the heel right there. Looking forward as well, you do have your white laces that run up as well. I think they did a good job putting white laces. I don't know if they would have put if they put, I don't know, like if it was like another blue, like the blue color right here, if they put that for the laces, I don't think that would have made these look good. Going to your tongue, you do have your blue tongue, and then you have your stitched Nike right there with your swoosh. These are fire. Looking at the insole as well, you do have an all blue insole, as you can see, and then you do have the Nike logo smack in the middle right there. Let me go ahead and take out the shoe tree for you. These are cool, dude. These are cool. Dang, this shoe tree is jammed in there. Oh my goodness. And then, yeah, nothing crazy. You just have your blue tongue right there with your Nike stitched right there logo as well, and then you do have your little size tag in there, as you can see. These are nice. I really do like. You could probably get a lot of fits off with these. I love the fact how they do take after. For me personally, I don't know if they really take after, but they look like they take after the Nike Dunk Low Argan. I feel like the Argan Dunks were just like a lighter version of this, but it's always cool to see when like Nike takes colorways off of shoes, and they kind of like tease us a little bit to, like, you know, old releases that came out in the past. But here they go right here. These are the Nike Dunk Low dark Marina blue. I like these a lot. These are personal for real. These are personal. Once I actually get the on-feet segment for you guys, I think you guys are gonna like them a whole bunch. Comment down below, let me know what you're feeling about the dark Marina blues. Is this a cop for you? Is this a pass for you? I know there's other releases coming. Are you guys interested in this one, or is it just more of like a they're cool but I don't need, you know? So let me know down below right now. I think that these are personally more of the better dunks that are releasing for 2022. I do believe that the quality, I know whenever it comes to dunks, that's the #1 thing. I feel like everyone in the sneaker community, we look at, how is the quality? How is the quality? The quality for these, they're not bad. They're not the greatest either, but they're not bad. Like in terms of what I want to say, the pollen dunks I reviewed, those quality are terrible. Honestly, but these actually aren't too bad. But I think dunks, you're getting them not really more for the quality, but you're getting them more for the colorway. I mean, at least that's why I get the shoes for personally, just because I like them, because how they look, how they pop. Like I said, the fact that these remind me so much of the Argans that came out like years ago is going to be a cop. So I know a lot of the people over in the UK, they were already going ahead and actually got these, but Here in the US, there has been no release date, but when there is, I will go ahead and keep you guys posted. So comment down below, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to an on-feet review for these, but before I do, I wanna give you guys a different perspective right now. So check it out right here. So here we go right here, the Nike Dunk Low in the dark Marina blue colorway. Look at the white swoosh on it. I love the two-tone color. I think that really makes this shoe stand out all on its own. It's one of those that I feel that price is decent for these, but I feel down the line these probably will go up. And this is just my opinion, because they do take after the Argan colorway, I feel like that's gonna go ahead and actually maybe increase price point on these a little bit. Like I said, go check them out if you are wanting to go ahead and get them early over on Go. I will leave a link in the description where you can check them out. They're very I wouldn't say they're extremely affordable, but in terms of the price point for them right now, they're not that bad last I checked. So comment down below and let me know what you think about the Nike Dunk Low in the dark Marina blue colorway. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this is going to end today's video over the review over the dark Marina blue. Comment down below and let me know what you think about these. Like I said, I do really think that these are probably going to be a good seller. I think just because of the colorway, these are going to really hit. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you tap in over with the community post, because I do like to go ahead and keep you guys updated on like sneaker releases, polls. I just love your guys' engagement very much, so it really does mean a lot to me. So go ahead, if you haven't, go check out that community poll, because I really do appreciate it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. It is freezing out here. We literally got like a lot of rain last night, and it's like super cold. My fingertips are like freezing. So like always, before I go, guys, I want you to know, thank you guys so much for everything that you do for me. There's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. This has been your boy, this has been your kid, Nephrite. These are the dark Marina blues. Like I said, comment down below and let me know, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Oh, Gems, you did it again. Oh, Gems, you did it again.